As we know, last night Italy won Eurovision Song Contest 2021 in Rotterdam, the Netherlands. Group Måneskin, with their rock song in Italian, won over the contest. And if we want to know the reason and how it happened, we can actually look the results of the competition, and we can see that difference between Italy, who won, and the second placed France is actually minimal, so only 25 points of difference. But how it happened? Italy placed fourth with jury votes, so it was really exciting when the hosts of the competition started to announce the televoting points, because Italy definitely won televoting points the most. So Italy got 318 televoting points and 206 points from the juries. So if there wasn't for televote points, Italy would be at fourth place. And the difference, as we said, between Italy and France is really minimal, so it could go either way if Barbara Pravi from France got a little bit more points from juries or from televote. We also know that juries placed Switzerland at first place, and second place according to juries was France. Then we got, when it comes to juries, we got Malta at third place, and Italy was at fourth place when it comes to juries. But when it comes to televoting, and that's how Italy won, Italy was at first position when it comes to televoting. So it was definitely fan favorite song and performance. Well done to Italy. Next year, as we know, competition will be held in Italy, and we're looking forward to it. This is the third time Italy wins Eurovision Song Contest, and last time was 31 years ago at Eurovision Song Contest 1990 with Insieme 1992. And Italy was the bookmakers' favorite to win Eurovision 2021 after the rehearsals. Eurovision Words users also predicted Italy as winner in their Eurovision pool. So it was definitely fan favorite song. And what do you think about their win? Write us in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.